Sausage! Bloody hell!
Some credits, but
Hey?
I don't mind it. I don't mind purchasing some credits. Like.
I've tried to buy credits from ownage, but it's not letting us do it.
What?
It's saying like I already purchased this item. There we go, mate. What the hell? See where that just come from there? That's mad, isn't it? That's gone through, pal.
No, cheers, mate.
Some lights on your bike, for God's sake. 2 sausages on bikes there. Really, really bad fog. No lights. They get hit by your car. Car's fault. Bloody hell.
Telford with work up for me.
It's 40 mile an hour, you complete sausage. Bloody hell, bells. He's risking doing that, like, on the 40 mile an hour on the bypass. I'm off to Kingstown, and there's usually a speed camera. Well, we've got too much for Derby, to be honest with you. And it kind of come quick enough. Nice indication by the bus stop. The bus driver there. Bloody hell. What a sausage. But it can't come quick enough for the match tonight because...
And I still think that if we don't strengthen in the January transfer window, I think even Sunderland could struggle to get into the top 6. Every time Sunderland get an injury...
A nice indication! Sausage, early morning sausage. Bloody hell.